Hey there, landlords and property owners. Are you looking to spruce up your rental property without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing some budget-friendly renovation ideas that will help you attract high-quality tenants and maximize your rental income. Let's start with the kitchen, often considered the heart of any home. You don't have to do a full-scale renovation to give your kitchen a fresh new look. Consider painting the cabinets a modern, neutral color and updating the hardware for an instant upgrade. You can also replace old countertops with affordable options like laminate or butcher block to give the space a more modern feel. Next up, let's talk about flooring. If your rental property has outdated or worn-out flooring, consider replacing it with cost-effective options like luxury vinyl plank or laminate flooring. These materials are durable, easy to install, and come in a wide range of styles to suit any aesthetic. Now let's move on to the bathroom. One of the easiest ways to update a bathroom on a budget is by replacing the fixtures and hardware. Swap out old faucets, shower heads, and towel racks for more modern options to give the space a fresh new look. You can also regrout or replace old tile to instantly brighten up the room. Another budget-friendly renovation idea is to add a fresh coat of paint throughout the property. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders in brightening up a space and making it feel clean and inviting. Stick to neutral colors like white, beige, or gray to appeal to a wide range of tenants. The exterior of your property is the first thing potential tenants will see, so it's important to make a good impression. Simple updates like adding a fresh coat of paint to the front door, planting some colorful flowers, and installing outdoor lighting can make a big difference in how your property is perceived. By incorporating these budget-friendly renovation ideas, you can attract high-quality tenants and increase the value of your rental property without breaking the bank. And remember, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help with all your property management needs. From renovations to tenant screening to rent collection, we've got you covered. Now that you've got some great budget-friendly renovation ideas under your belt, let's talk about how to take your property to the next level and maximize your rental income. One smart investment that can pay off big time is upgrading your appliances. Energy-efficient appliances not only attract tenants, but also help reduce utility costs, saving you money in the long run. Consider investing in appliances with an Energy Star rating to appeal to eco-conscious renters and lower your property's carbon footprint. Another way to increase the value of your rental property is by adding amenities that set it apart from the competition. Think about installing features like a washer and dryer in each unit, a dishwasher, or even a fitness center or community space for tenants to enjoy. These added amenities can help attract and retain tenants while allowing you to command higher rents. Next, let's talk about smart home technology. Adding smart thermostats, locks, and security cameras not only enhances the safety and security of your property, but also appeals to tech-savvy renters. Plus, these features can often be controlled remotely, allowing you to manage your property more efficiently and provide added convenience to your tenants. Finally, consider investing in landscaping and outdoor spaces. A well-maintained lawn, garden, or outdoor patio can significantly increase the curb appeal of your property and create additional living space for tenants to enjoy. Plus, outdoor amenities like a barbecue area or fire pit can make your property more attractive to potential renters. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance the value of your rental property, attract high-quality tenants, and maximize your rental income. And remember, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help you every step of the way. From property upgrades to tenant management, we're your partner in success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on property management. Thanks for watching and happy renovating.